So let's look some Excel formulas. Let's start with the capital letter. Here the column is filled with mixed variables, which is like caps and smalls are mixed. So we are going to calculate capital letter. So for capital letter, we use this shortcut key as upper, close the braces, enter. We got the answer. So total all the variables got caps. Same, whereas for small letter we use lower and the cell value, close the braces, we got the final value. Okay, next one is capitalize first letter. What we need to capitalize only the first letter means then we have to use the proper formula. Formula, value, click enter. We got the answer. Next, ID digits. So here, in this case, if you're going to calculate ID digits means, which means the total, calculating the total amount, total count of the ID digits. So here, we should give length, short form, len, the value, close the braces, enter. We got the answer. So close, we got the answer. Next here, like we use this filter option and we can get the desired result accordingly. For this filter thing, we just have to use control shift lock. Okay. Now I'll tell how to use this filter in a shortcut formula. Click on the first cell, shift control, select all the cells and then give shift control L so that this filter we will get as per our desired thing. Okay, next move on to the next table. Here it is remove unnecessary space. Here we have unnecessary space in random spaces. So let's remove unnecessary. So we'll use trim formula, close the braces, enter. So all the unwanted spaces has been removed. Okay. So next tabular column, here the product ID is given. They are asking us to take only the product value, product and the states and invoice number. So let's start with here. And then asking us to calculate, give us the product ID same back again. So let's start with all first these three items. So shift control, select all the cells. Here in data, we have an option called text to columns. So in text columns, we should click with delimited and give to next. Sending give to other. Here in this variables, only the delimiters has been entered with the column thing. So we'll use this column, give it as column here, and then we'll give it as next. And the destination should be here. So the cells will be start from here and give it a finish. So we'll get as per this result. We got the answer. I'll do once again. Shift control down arrow. In data table label, we'll get the text to columns. We'll first click on delimited, next option, and keep the other option, and then we give hyphen, and then we'll give next option and destination. If we give this destination, it will be come in this place. This is the key 2. So we don't want here, we want here. So we are using, we'll remove this thing and click on this cell. So now finish, all the cells will come here. Okay, now we want the product ID back. So we can, if this data is given, we can give directly, but if this data is not given, only this data is given, we want to join all the variables. So here let's give concatenate, which will join all the letters, first letter, comma, first value, and then here hyphen is there, give double quotes, hyphen, close, comma, next second variable, comma, double quotes, close, comma, and the third variable, close, enter. So we got the answer like this. So the formula is concatenate is joining all the variables or numerals as per the need. So we were just using the hyphen because of hyphen is there. If it's not there, we don't have to use it. Join for more, follow, subscribe for more videos.